Hi, this is Mark Ramsay, creator and author of the Good Neighbors Math series. In this video, I will show you a way to bridge the gap between adding using the standard algorithm with base 10 block notation and adding using the standard algorithm with numerals. I will show you a hybrid method that uses numerals and pictures of base 10 blocks from events in the Good Neighbors Store and Award to make visible the conceptual elements of the standard algorithm. Students, after some practice, add very well using the standard algorithm using base 10 block notation and demonstrate conceptual understanding of the algorithm through their drawings. Then teachers move straight to adding with numerals. The conceptual elements of the algorithm are not as visible and apparent to students when performed with numerals. It is for this reason that many students struggle to transfer their understanding of the process they had using drawings of base 10 blocks to the same process using numerals. One of the many benefits of the hybrid method based on the Good Neighbors Store and Award is that the narrative of the story corresponds with the order in which the standard algorithm is performed. A common error of students is to begin the standard algorithm with a place value other than the ones place. Students who have heard the story easily remember that Onesie stored his cheese cubes first, so they remember to start the process with the ones place. The beginning, middle, and end of the story mirrors the beginning, middle, and end of the process of the standard algorithm, so children recall the order of the story and apply it to the order of the process. Let's start with what is needed to perform the hybrid method. The number cards and the thumbnail pictures can be downloaded for free from www.goodneighborsmath.com. The number cards need to be printed two-sided so that the black number is on one side and a red number, one less than the black number, is on the other side. You will need to cut them into cards. You will also need to make the mat on poster board, tag board, or chart paper. A small amount of adhesive Velcro is needed so that the thumbnail pictures stick to the 0 on the 10 cards. That's all you'll need. Let's set up an addition problem using the hybrid method. Place number cards on the mat, making two or 3-digit addends that will require regrouping. Place the thumbnail picture of tenor melting the 10 cubes into one stick in between the ones place and the tens place, and place the thumbnail of 100 melting 10 sticks into one slab in between the tens place and the hundreds place. Now we're ready to go. Ask students where they should begin to add using the algorithm. If needed, ask students who stores his or her cheese first in the story to build a correlation between the steps in the algorithm and the order of the story. Have students add the numbers in the one place and choose cards to make the sum. Students will often take a 1 card and a 4 card to make 14, but tell them that 1 and 4 makes 5. We need 14. Let them struggle a bit until they realize they need a 10 card and a 4 card. Now ask them if the ones place and onesie have room for 14 ones or cubes. No, so we keep 4 ones in the ones place and give the 10 ones to the tens place or tenor. Then we take the 10 ones or cubes and melt them together to make one 10 or stick, just like tenor did by placing the thumbnail picture over the 0. Ta-da! Slide the 110 all the way into the tens place. Now we add the tens. 1 10, 5 tens, and 7 tens. 13 tens. Do the tens and tenor have room for 13 tens? No. So we keep the 3 tens in the tens place and give the 10 tens to the hundreds place or 100. Then we take the 10 tens or sticks and melt them together to make 100 or slab, just like 100 did by placing the thumbnail picture over the 0. Ta-da! Slide the 100 all the way into the hundreds place. Now we add the hundreds. 100, 400s, and 300s. 8 hundreds. Does the hundreds and 100 have room for 8 hundreds? Yes. So we are finished. 458 plus 376 equals 834. Because this hybrid method makes the conceptual elements of the standard algorithm visible, but primarily uses numbers, it is a stepping stone to successful adding using the algorithm with numerals. After students add using this hybrid method a few times, they are generally ready to move on to paper-pencil computations. The difference between these students and other students is that when these students are adding using the algorithm, they are thinking about and visualizing the hybrid method, and the other students are not.